I'm recording.
Cosas. No, 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 no. Ay. Oh, shit. The other one. Yeah. No, no. That was actually the hatchback.
Yeah.
It's a Mazda Protege.
Prodigy.
Yeah, Protege. That's just sick. Prodigy.
Prodigy. Prodigy.
Or Protege, whatever. What is this? What the fuck? Beep, 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 beep.
Hey, tell me if you see a hot ass chick.
Alright. You look for that, because I'm driving. And now he's gonna put the video at her. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna be like, oh my god, look at my neighbors. Look at my neighbors.
Oh yeah, that neighbor girl, dude, went from the bus. Oh,
Nah.
she was good.
Anything?
Nothing.
I'm not gonna like right here when you take off.
Huh?
I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna look at when you shift.
Alright.
Cause
Wait,
it's like right here.
can you
Look.
see my legs too?
I doubt it.
Look, can you see my legs or not?
A little bit. Yeah, I got this view right here.
Shit, you could've gone over there. That way I could've moved back and you could see more.
Never mind. They're too young.
Fuck, hey, pointing at the copy like haters.
Yeah, you could see right here.
I told you to point the camera at him like haters at the cops.
And then he turns around and stops.
Fuck no. I'd be like, what did you stop us for, officer? You were getting me on camera. Yeah, that's a good thing. You'd be famous.
Cops.
Hot girls, dude.
They were too young.
Okay, he said girls.
Alright.
Fucking mailman.
This street, there's nothing.
I know, fucking mailman, man.
Reading tickles my brain.
Mitch, seen your ass at school. I have, dude. That fucking 40. Wow, dude. My shit was at half the tank of the gas. Now it's at 1/4. Freaking mailman, dude. Yep, mailman.
Now what?
I'm gonna go through this one street and then go fast as fuck.
Right here? Nah, you should have gone over there in Ohio.
No, that one over there is to Ohio and then Ohio. big ass hole, dude. Yeah, ball.
Yeah?
Yeah.